All right, let's play Pass It On by Kurt Kaiser. This song has a number of chords: D, F sharp minor, and that's a tricky one because we need to bar on the second fret. So an E minor up 2 is an F sharp minor. We have a G, and we have an A, and an E minor. So this is a simple song with 6 chords. We're going to take it nice and slow and see how it goes. So starting on a D chord, here we go. It only takes a F sharp minor to G, a fire A, and D, all those F sharp minor can be up to its A. That's how it is with God's love. Once you've experienced it, you spread His love. Everyone want to pass it on. Awesome job.